Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. How y'all doing? I am back with another video, another unboxing video. This unboxing video I'm so excited for, guys, and I had this gift for about a week and I've been holding it to, share it with you guys, with my citizens. Yes, I've been holding this for a while and I can't hold it no longer. I'm ready to just unbox it and I'm just so excited. I don't know, can y'all see the excitement in my face? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So today's video, I know y'all see in the title, yes, it is a Cartier unboxing. Yes, checking things off the wish list, honey. Yes, I'm so excited. Yes, this was on my wish list. This was actually number 1 on my wish list, and if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I will link it up here. You can go check that out. But I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, babe. He was paying attention. He watches my videos and he know that I've been wanting this since probably 2015. And we just never jumped into it. If you're new here and you like videos like this, luxury unboxing, fashion hauls, try on hauls, and just lifestyle vlogs, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you will be notified. So without further ado, let's get into this Cartier unboxing, guys. So me and babe, we went out. We was only supposed to be going just to the mall, just shopping, and there's like, we have an appointment at Cartier. I had no idea. Thank you, babe. So let's get her open. And this is, they call this a discreet bag. So after we got done, we was in the store or whatever. After we got done, he asked us that we want a discreet bag if we were gonna shop around some more, and we was going out to eat and we was gonna shop some more, and I'm not leaving this in the car. No. So they call this a discreet bag. It's so cute. It's just like a white shopper, and then it actually has like a lid. See, it has a little lid. This is pretty cool. I like it. So here it is. Let's just get it open. Here it is. Thumbnail. Guys, I'm like so overwhelmed. I'm super excited. I'm going to actually unbox it with you guys, and then I'll probably come back with another little clip of babe putting it on me, because he's actually running around taking care of business, and you cannot put the love bracelet on by yourself. And since he purchased it for me, thank you, babe, thank you again, he will be the one to put the love bracelet on my wrist. So in the bag you get a cleaning kit, and it's a cute little box, and here's a cleaning solution. They call it lotion for your jewelry and your watch, and it's just like a little spray bottle. I don't know if it's picking up, you can see it, and it's like a 1 ounce bottle, so you can actually travel with this. And then it comes with the little brush, super soft brush to clean it with, and then like a polishing cloth. So I love that. He actually told me when I'm back in the area to stop back in the store, because he didn't have any traveling pouches. So I'm actually going to go back probably in a couple days or next week and get me a travel pouch. Alright, so here it is, guys. Y'all already know we all love the red bag, the hot stamp, the wax, so pretty, and the white paper. I just love how they package it all up. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's just like, do you want to even open the package? You don't even want to open the package because it's so pretty. So let's just open it up, guys. So I will insert a little clip somewhere here, yeah, where we were in the store and we were trying on the Cartier, like a stack, because I do want a stack. So y'all know I have the Cartier Just Include, the small version, the thinner version, and I do want to get the thicker version. I'm just undecided if I want to do like white gold, because I do want to mix my metals, because I have like white gold, I wear silver, and my wedding set is white gold. So I would like to mix my metals. So I'm on the fence. I definitely want to get the Cartier Just Include, the thicker version, the original one, but I just don't know if I want white gold, yellow gold, or rose gold. Let's stop rambling and just get this beauty open. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Don't want to ruin the package, so I'm gonna be gentle. It's not like I'm gonna keep it, but be very gentle, guys. Okay, guys, here it is. Look at the box. Y'all know the routine. I love the little flap here, and then you just take it out, and here it is, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's just pop it open. Here she is. Oh my goodness. It is the Cartier Love Bracelet. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. I don't even want to touch it. Like, I want to put gloves on. I don't even want to touch it. So guys, I got this in a size 17. Even though my wrist is very tiny, I don't know if you guys can tell, I have a very small wrist, but my wrist bone here is like, it sticks up a lot. I guess because it's not a lot of fat around my wrist, so the bone is here. So they was worried. They said I can actually fit a 16, but it will bump, it will rub here, and they were worried and concerned that it will irritate me after a while. So I went up a size. So, and my Just Include is a size, did we size up or down? I think we size down. So that's a 16, but my Love Bracelet is a 17. So this, you know, they always give you your receipt and your verification code. So this is usually just tells you the date that you purchased it on, that it's 18 karat gold, and it has a date, and then they stamp it, and then it has a little code on the inside, but you know, I always cover my code. So we purchased this on May 15th, and then it has the serial numbers. So all this stuff goes into like my safety deposit box to keep it safe, because you definitely need this to verify your bracelet. And it is just so gorgeous. So like I was saying, later on, I'll probably come back and continue this video because babe is not here, and I just couldn't wait no longer. I just wanted to open it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And when babe come home, he'll put the bracelet on me, and I'm so excited. I didn't want to touch it, but I did. And look at the screw. And I'm pretty sure the screw is 18 karat gold as well. And we had the option to engrave it, but I have my ring engraved. I didn't think I need to engrave my bracelet. So here she is. So pretty. I love it. Thanks, babe. So babe is putting my bracelet on. Remember he said, okay. Where's your gloves, babe?
They didn't come in the package?
No.
They supposed to give you some white gloves, all this money. Note to Cartier. Give gloves.
You told me how to squeeze here. Maybe I said don't make it too tight when I first put it on. No, he told me to go back.
After I put it on, he said to go back and tighten it up. And then in a week, you go back and tighten it up.
Oh, okay. Let me get the cleaning cloth. But look, it's so pretty. I love it.
So I had to get some fingerprints on it beforehand.
That's pretty heavy.
It's shining though.
Yeah, you gotta get used to this.
It's heavy, heavy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's heavy.
Alrighty. Do you have none of y'all?
Okay guys, that is it for this Cartier unboxing. And again, if you're new here and you like videos like this, unboxing videos, luxury videos, fashion hauls, you know the rest. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace.